So today let me show you how to prepare curry leaf powder. Okay, for this I've got some curry leaf. So you make sure you don't leave the curry leaves out in the night. So okay, because of dew, you have to try and eliminate any moisture. So you need to make sure they dry very well in the sun. Probably 2-3 days or more, depends till the leaves become a bit. So after drying it for 2 days, you see, it's become a bit crisp. Yeah. So you see. So now we will do, take off all the beautiful leaves which have become crisp. Okay. It's time for powdering. So I've collected all the leaves here. We'll probably give it one more day's sunlight, and then we will make beautiful curry leaf powder. Trying it for the third day. See, this is what has to happen. Okay, let me demonstrate to you. You know, it has to crack. Yeah? Once it cracks, you can see now it's ready to powder. All good to crush. Okay, and then we will make a powder. And here you can see, you know, the whole quantity is reduced after crush. So here you can see crushed. You can use a teaspoon of this water. Perfect, excellent. You can store the crushed powder, you know, in this kind of, this way, and keep it in the fridge and use it for your cooking. Perfect energy drink, and absolutely lot of vitamins, lot of energy in this curry leaves. Okay. And it has got a lot of medicinal values. Cheers, guys. So the curry leaf powder technology is very simple. Right from the curry leaf from the tree, okay, drying it for around say 3 to 4 days to eliminate the moisture and getting them crisp. Hand crushing them, or you could use a mortar and pestle. Yeah, that's what you can do. And then you could chuck some in a mixie to make this lovely powder. Could have 1 teaspoon every day early in the morning. You know, it's very, very healthy. Or you can store some in the fridge or freezer, doesn't matter. Or you can store them as a powder and keep it with you. And you can use this for around a month. So, you see, beautiful, eh? The green curry leaf powder. Very, very, very delicious. Going to be tasty. You can use it in a curry. Yeah, just 1 teaspoon will give you a better flavor. So good morning. First thing in the morning, just a teaspoon of this lovely curry leaf powder. Don't get confused. This is not curry powder. This is curry leaf powder. Just drop a teaspoon in hot water. A nice stir, right? And then you can drink this magic powder. Okay. Cheers, guys. Enjoy and healthy living.